Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have the new lens from Canon, the Canon RF 24105 f2.8 L USM Z. Yan, it's a very long name guys. Again, Canon RF 24105mm f2.8 L USM Z. Yan. Again, we have already here. Um, yeah, it's totally different with the first version 24105 with the f4. So you can see and you can notice already in the box. I think the box of 24105 is around here. So without further ado guys, let's unbox, check the quality of this 24105, and yeah, and let's test the lens. So without further ado, let's start. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So guys, now this is the lens. Not too much things you can see in the lens, of course. Have some papers. Nahulog pa. Okay. Okay, so yeah, the bag. Now the 24105 is more bigger than the 7200. If you compare with the 7200, this is more bigger size. In terms of the size, even in the weight, I think it's imagine 24105 f2.8. So how about the 2470 now? So you have all the papers here. Look like the 7200. Huge. Yeah. See? Charan. So you have already your color mount. Yeah, the aperture ring is already here from the lens. Okay. You have full auto and manual, autofocus manual for stabilization 1, 2, 3, on and off. And you have stabilization mode from 1, 2, and 3. Iris, the iris is already here. You can lock, then you can select your iris from auto or A, f2.8 to f22. So you have the dial, I think, for focus yung assignment. And this is 82mm lens cap and filter thread. So if you want to put a filter, just 82. Red ring, and of course your focusing ring. Yeah, this ring, this is your focusing. Again, this is your focusing, and this is a ring dial. So you can use this ring or customize. It's like a ring dial. So, yeah. So I think that's a quick unbox and check. So you have also here, I don't know what's this electronic type here. So just comment down below guys if you see already this lens. But again, we will try and test. We'll put in Canon R5, take some sample photos, then I'm gonna show you. Yon, so we have this 24105 with R5. Yeah, that shot. 24mm. Okay, 50mm. I do automatic. I'll go. Instead, I'll use iris f2.8. Yeah, iris f2.8. Shutter 1:125. 105mm. Yon, diba? It's quite heavy. It's heavy, guys. But yeah, it's a very fantastic lens from 105mm to this is 105mm. Let's see, 85, 50mm, and 24mm. When you have 35mm, it's nice. The focus is fast. Again, 105mm. The focus is very fast from 105, 85. It's very fast focus. Again, the focus is very fast. Oh, see, 105, 85. Ang bago, 85, ang 24 105. 50, bugata oy. 35, 24. Pero pas-pas ba? Paingon kag kuan, mabula. Presyong mahabula ni. See? The focus is very fast. Wow. So this is the lens, guys. So, and smooth. Nana siya inani yung control ring. You have a control ring. Aperture na dire. Bugat lang. It's heavy. Pero gwapo ba? Ngunit pinaka-lens na nimo, okay na ni. Si Harvey untaan eh. See, 105mm. Okay. Say. Bilis ng focus, sir. Ito lang talaga pinaka-lens mo, sir. Sa sunod, ito nang kunin mo kay pusa. One time lang. Lit ang camera, pero panalo. Ayun. Bilis pa ng focus, oh. So, yeah, I tried already the lens. The focusing is very fast, and this is all-in-one lens. So, if you want to use for wedding photography or events, any events, this is the best lens for events, guys. It's heavy, it's quite heavy, but the range from 24mm wide angle up to standard, not too much wide, but standard wide 24 and up to 105 for 2.8 constant. This is the monster, guys. It's the best lens. This is all in one lens. So if you want to buy 24-105 and 24-70 combination, this is the lens. So yeah, I think Mr. Harvey will buy this lens one day. I like this lens. So then, guys, if you are an events photographer, events videographer, if you want to upgrade your 24-70, this is the best one. 24-105. So all-in-one zoom lens. So you have already 2.8 for 105mm. Good for portrait, wedding, all-in-one lens. But it's heavy, it's quite heavy. But it's look like the 70-100 EF before. The size is look like 70-100 EF. So it's more smaller than the 24-70 and yeah, 24-70 f2.8 and 24-105 f4. I think it's half. And the 70-100, even the 70-100 RF, it's smaller than this. But again, this is 24 wide and to 105mm. You have already your ring, assigned ring here, yeah, and your aperture is already in the lens. Yeah, you have standard stabilizer on and off, stabilizer mode from 1 to 3, fully and 1 meter focus, and yeah. So what else you need for that lens? So again, if you are looking for a zoom lens, which is you will use for wedding or in events, this is a good lens for Canon. So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, I'm gonna show you some sample photos taken with this and the Canon R5. So hanggang dito lang, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Canon RF 24-105 f2.8 ISL USM, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Again, if you want to check all the Canon products, you can check our website, www.abworld.com. So guys, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.